I will continue talking about how you, as a contractor, can optimize your construction cash flow, but from the perspective of your clients. You want to help your client do proper financial planning of his projects. Of course, you want to do that for your own benefit. Specifically, you want to help your client achieve a balance between two amounts of cash during given budgetary periods. The first is the amount of cash he or she needs to make your payments. The second is the amount of cash he or she allocated to your project in his budget. Like this, you avoid the risk of your payments not being timely paid. You want really to achieve this balance, especially for a client whom you are executing on his portfolio of more than one project. In this demonstration, I will show you how to achieve that balance for a portfolio including a single project. To start off, I'm going to click on File and I'm going to click on New Portfolio. And as you can see, New Portfolio appears here. I'm going to give it the same name of my client, so Client XYZ. Then I will need to right click on my portfolio, click on Import Project, and here I'm going to select my project, which is Building A1. These three tabs display the project bar chart, cash flow calculations, and cash flow. This tab over here displays the whole project as one bar, which spans the time between the project start time till the last payment. Of course, I can have as many bars as the number of projects in my portfolio in this space right here. In the last tab over here, you can see all payments of my project are listed here with their due dates and the cumulative balance. As you can see, the payments amount to 2,718,305. Now I will move to the lower left part of my screen. As you can see over here, two tabs. The first one is to define the client budgetary period. And the second one is to enter the cash my client XYZ allocated to my project during the defined budgetary period. So, budgetary period of client XYZ is the second quarter of 2016, which extends from May 1st till August 31st. Now you will see the interim payments within the second quarter indicated in black and red. Payments outside the second quarter are indicated in gray. As you can see over here, the total cash needs to make the payments during the second quarter amount to 1,949,363. Now I'm gonna enter the available fund my client XYZ allocated to my project during the budgetary period. In this table, at the lower left part of the screen, I will add information about all sources of fund available during the second quarter. I'm gonna press on Add. I'm gonna define my source fund as being Q2 budget. I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna press on OK. And for the amount, I'm gonna put 1,665,000. As you can see, the fund source and amount appear in our table over here. Also, the table of payments shows that the available fund was adequate to make the first three payments in full, but there is a deficit of 284,363 to make the fourth payment. So I will need to optimize my project cash flow. So I'm gonna click on Tools and I'm gonna click on Optimize Schedule. As you can see, SchedWrite generates a whole bunch of solutions. And I'm gonna click on Payment Reduction over here to see the amount of reduction in the payments that each solution offers. Employing optimization algorithm, SchedWrite achieves reductions at minimum extensions in project finish dates. Here is our initial solution with a finish date of September 17. The process of generating solutions continues till no more solutions can be generated. Going down the list of solutions, you can see this solution over here with a finish date of September 22nd and reduction amount of 284,875, which is just above our deficit amount. So I'll click on this solution and press on Apply. Once it refreshes, you can see the negative balance over here disappeared, and the payments during the second quarter was reduced to 1,664,487, which is slightly below the available funds of 1,665,000. That's how we achieved a balance between cash needs to make payments during second quarter and the budget our client XYZ allocated to our project.